Creating effective survey questions in Hotjar starts with understanding the three main question types that will give you the most valuable user insights. The first type is rating scale questions, which include Net Promoter Score and customer satisfaction surveys. These provide quantitative data that's easy to track over time. Open-ended questions give you qualitative insights by letting users explain their thoughts in their own words. Multiple choice questions are perfect for collecting demographic information and understanding user preferences. Net Promoter Score is the most widely used rating scale question. It asks users how likely they are to recommend your product on a scale from 0 to 10. Customer satisfaction surveys let you measure satisfaction across multiple touchpoints in a single survey, helping identify specific areas for improvement. Open-ended questions provide rich qualitative insights that numbers alone cannot capture. They help you understand the why behind user behavior. These questions uncover unexpected issues and give you insights in the user's own words, which is invaluable for improving your product. Keep your surveys concise with a maximum of 5 to 10 questions. This approach leads to 20% higher completion rates and better quality responses. Industry data shows that surveys with 5 questions or fewer achieve significantly higher completion rates than longer surveys. Hotjar has expanded its survey template library with industry-specific options, making it easier to create effective surveys quickly. The new AI-powered question suggestions help you craft better questions with optimized wording based on best practices and industry benchmarks. Remember, effective surveys combine the right question types with optimal length to maximize both response rates and the quality of insights you receive. Effective targeting ensures your surveys reach the right users at the right moment. Hotjar offers 3 main targeting approaches to maximize survey relevance and response rates. Page-based targeting displays surveys on specific URLs or page categories. This allows you to ask contextual questions relevant to what users are currently viewing or doing. Behavioral targeting triggers surveys based on user actions and engagement patterns. This includes time spent on site, scroll depth, and specific user behaviors that indicate intent or interest. User attribute targeting focuses on demographic and technical characteristics. You can target users based on their device type, geographic location, traffic source, or whether they are new or returning visitors. Trigger mechanisms determine when surveys appear to users. Time-based triggers can show surveys immediately or after a delay, while behavior-based triggers respond to specific user actions like scrolling or attempting to leave the page. Exit intent surveys are particularly effective, showing 3 times higher response rates than standard pop-ups. These surveys detect when users are about to leave and present a final opportunity for feedback. Effective survey targeting combines the right audience selection with optimal timing. By leveraging page-based, behavioral, and user attribute targeting alongside strategic trigger mechanisms, you can significantly improve survey response rates and gather more relevant feedback.